On today's video, I'm gonna be making tacos de cachete. It's beef cheek. It's such a tender meat, super delicious, and I personally love them. Let me show you guys how to make it. The ingredients are 5 pounds of beef cheek, cachete de res, cilantro, 1 white onion, 1 whole garlic, 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 chiles de arbol, and some corn tortillas. The meat is already cut and now I'm gonna put it in the pot. I'm gonna be using my Presto pressure cooker. It is an older pot. Love how it cooks so evenly. So now all the meat is in there and we're gonna add the spices. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt, 5 bay leaves, the whole garlic, and last the 3 chiles de arbol. Next we're gonna add water until it covers the meat completely. We cover it up and cook it for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. While we're waiting for the meat to cook, I'm gonna chop up the cilantro and the onion. It's been 1.5 hours and I think our meat is finally ready. Yes, definitely ready. Look at how delicious this meat looks, guys. I'm gonna cut it now and make myself some taquitos. You can see how soft it is, look it. I already warmed up my tortillas with a little bit of oil, and then we'll just grab some meat. Caliente. Agua. Okay, we're gonna add some onion, cebollitas, cilantro, and some salsita tatemada that I made earlier. ¿Quién se le antojan? Cheek is one of my favorite meats because it's super juicy and tender. Honestly, if you've never tried cheek, you definitely should. You won't regret it. One of the best, softest meats out there. Now, hora de probar, pero I have to add lemon. What is it, guys?
¿Cómo está la carne?
Súper blandita, deliciosa. You need to try these tacos. 2 bites and it's gone. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.